Hello, and welcome back to your Genesis Now. On today's updated feature video, users can now schedule reports to automatically be sent to themselves by email. Let's take a look. From inside your Genesis Now, let's go over to your toolbar on the left, scroll down to Reports, and click Reports. Then click Reports again. You would then select the report from base reports, agency reports, or any memorized or saved reports that you have. I'm going to go to my favorite, which is policy and client detail. Keeping in mind that everything in the center column is what actually will appear on your report. Everything on the left are items that you can add to your report. And if you want to break your report down very specifically, you can always click the arrows and move that information over to the right and select. For instance, let's see, policy status. I want to add this to my report. I click the green arrow. It's now on my report, but if I click and move it over a little bit further, it gets a little bit more specific. And then effective date, for instance, I move that over, move it again. So now when I run this report, I like to run this report for this week, last week. I'm going to select this week. So now that I have my information for this week, it's going to pull active policies for whatever week that I am in because I selected this week. I can now set this report up to automatically email to me by clicking here under recurring email report. So I will click here. I'll put the email that I want the report to go to. Uh-oh. And then I will select my frequency. I want to receive this report weekly, but you may wish to receive it monthly, quarterly, annually. I'm going with weekly. And the next send date is going to be next week, the 12th. So this report, by clicking on the recurring email report, will now come to me at Terry at JenesisSoftware.com. It will come weekly beginning next week, January 12th, as a PDF form. Once I've set this up, it's all set to go. And if you set your report up the way you like it, have all the information, you can memorize it, save it, and name it. But for this purpose, this video is showing you how to email yourself recurring reports by simply clicking on this button right here on the right top side, entering your email address, selecting your frequency from the drop down, and the date to send your next report. I hope you found this information helpful and it saves you some time. And as always, should you need any support, at the bottom right is a chat support icon. But for any other help, how to, you can always go to your helpful toolbar on the left at the bottom, the help and resource options. Thank you and have a great day.